Delicious berry juice. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I'm so glad that you came around to watch my videos. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate all of you. So in today's video, we're going to be having berry juice, okay? I'll take you guys through on how I prepare my berry juice. So without further ado, let's get started, okay? So here we have raspberry. This is raspberry fruits, okay? And here we have strawberry, okay? This is strawberry, fresh strawberry, guys. Yeah. Next we have blueberry, and finally we have grapes, okay? This is black grapes. I just thought to add it to enhance the sweetness, okay? So these are all the ingredients we're going to be using for our berry juice. We're going to get started now to prep our ingredients. So first of all, we're going to be peeling off the head, okay? Yeah, I'm not going to use all of these. I'll probably use half of the strawberry. Thank you guys so much for being here. If you're still watching up till now, I truly appreciate you. Thank you so much. If you're new here, welcome to Vicky's Concept. Okay, here we make delicious recipes. If you enjoy watching this video, please consider subscribing. Subscribe to my channel and turn on your bell notification so that anytime I post, you'll get notified. Okay, thank you so much. God bless you all. And to all my returning subscribers, you guys are always amazing. I'm so glad you always come around to watch my videos. Thank you so much. God bless you all. So now I'm gonna get on to take off this part. Okay, we don't need it. So after taking off the head, I'll get on to wash this properly. Okay. So now I'm just gonna put these in the plates and rinse it thoroughly, guys. So I'm done with the strawberry. I'll add all the berries together before I wash them. Okay. So I'm just picking the ones that are still good. The blueberry I guess is still good. Yeah. So finally, we're gonna be adding our grapes. Okay. I think among all berries, strawberry, blueberries, raspberry, I think strawberry and raspberry, they are very quick when it comes to spoiling. They get spoiled so easily. I don't know why. Even when it's in the fridge, it spoils so easily. So as soon as you buy your strawberries, make sure you eat them all up before 2 to 3 days. If not, You just waste your money. Yeah, so I'm just gonna be using these amounts. I'll be using these amounts, guys. It's all fresh. I chose the fresh ones. Yeah. So I'll give this a quick wash and then I'll get on to blend this all together. Thank you so much for continuing staying with me. So we are done washing it. It's all sparkly clean now. We'll get on to blend this. Okay, guys. So I have my jug here, my blending jug. So I'll be adding the berries gradually, okay? So now I've added the amount that is blendable. I still have a few here in the bowl. I'll get on to add water. So grab a clean drinking water and add it. This should be enough, okay? I added half of the jug. So I'll cover these up, okay? And I will get on to blend it now, okay, guys? So it's done blending now. I'll be adding the rest of the berries in here and then I'll do the final blending. So we are done blending it. It's time to sieve our juice. Let me grab a spoon. So I don't want to add this. So the aim is to make our juice as smooth as possible. So I'll be getting rid of these ones. Okay, these are the bits. It's not well grounded, so I'll be getting rid of it. Our juice is ready to serve. Delicious berry juice. Thank you all so much. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and making this delicious juice with me. I'm so glad that you watched up to this point. I'm gonna have to end it here, and I will see you all on my next one. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Bye.